Good afternoon. Today we're here with Eduardo Tirado. And Mr. Tirado, how long have we represented you as your attorney?
For over 3 years.
And during this 3 year period, what were you initially charged with?
Indecency with a child.
Okay, so you're charged with a sexual crime, and the first time that I met you over 3 years ago, you informed me that you're not guilty. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And you told me that you'll take this case all the way to a jury trial. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And your initial offer on your case was 15 years in the penitentiary. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And how many times did we ended up appearing on your case in Dallas County?
It was in excess of 10 times.
And we appeared 10 times just for the jury trial to try your case. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And during that 3 year period, we probably appeared in court in excess of 50 times.
Yeah,
There was a lot of appearances. Is that correct?
that's correct.
And at no time did you ever tell me that you wanted to plead guilty on your case. Is that correct?
No, I did not.
And we set your case for a jury trial.
Yes, sir.
And you said we appeared 10 times for the actual jury trial. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And what was the last offer that the state of Texas made to you?
They were offering me 5 years in the penitentiary.
Okay. They wanted to send you to the penitentiary. You've never been to the penitentiary before. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And whenever I communicated that 5 year offer in the Texas Department of Corrections, what was your response?
No.
And you have held tight during this entire 3 year period. What happened to your case?
It got discharged.
They got discharged. They basically, the state of Texas now, from going down to 15 years to 10 years to 5 years, they actually dismissed your case. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Do you believe that you were treated fairly by the judicial system?
No.
And why not?
Because it inflicted a lot of emotional pain. It, prevented me from succeeding with my life. I couldn't proceed forward. I was stuck, fighting this. I was stuck, and I knew that I had to have a good lawyer, and I put my faith in you.
And it's very humbling that you put your faith in us, because it's a very humbling experience whenever somebody wants to take your life. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And I know during this 3.5 year time period, you've had bond conditions. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
You've had this accusation hanging over top of your head. Is that correct?
Yes.
You could not be around certain children under the age of 17.
I couldn't be around my family. That's correct.
You couldn't be. It affected your relationship with your family.
Yes.
And I know you have a wonderful family that's actually assisted you and helped you through this process, but it also took a toll on your family.
Yes. Every single one of them.
And you understand that the predicament that we're in, once they end up dismissing the case, you can't go file a petition for an expunction because your case, there's no statute of limitations. You understand that?
I understand.
So you're wrongfully accused. They want you to go to the penitentiary. We set it for a jury trial, and on the 10th appearance in court, they end up dismissing your case.
That's correct.
Do you feel that you've been vindicated?
Yes.
But however, even though we've been vindicated, you still have the public humiliation of being accused of this. Is that correct?
That's true. I do.
And at the end of it all, I just want you to know that we believe in you, and thank you for being able to show us fortitude, that you're willing to stand by what the truth was, and by you not wanting to take a plea, it informed the state of Texas they have to meet their burden to convict you.
Yes.
And the state of Texas dismissed their case.
Yes, they did.
And you walk free, not a day in jail.
Nope.
And I appreciate your time, and congratulations to you and your family. And if you have any questions regarding any type of case that you may have, please contact our law firm. As you can see with Mr. Eduardo Tirado, his case was dismissed. He held tight in excess of 3 years of appearing in court. It's a very difficult situation to find yourself in. Is that correct?
It's very tough. Yes, it's difficult.
But hopefully you're happy that it's over.
I'm very happy.
Okay. All right, thank you for your time.